How to make a meat aid, geometry 275 and geometry 991 on WEILO. First, add the loop. I already have the meat aid LUT or loop. You can make them on photo P. Then the wave. These are the properties for the wave. And for audio effect, I forgot to add the pitches on all of them. Whoops. 125. Next for this one. Root. Inverted effect. Transparent distortion. These are the properties. Curl. These are the properties. Transparent distortion again. These are the properties. These are the properties. Switch 200. And then we have mirror. These are the properties. Red, green, blue curves. These are the properties. Wave. These are the properties. Convex lens. These are the properties. CRT. That's the properties. The property or whatever. Then duplicate the clip on a new layer. But delete the convex lens one. And then we use mask. These are the properties. And then add another layer with shape and square. These are the properties for that. And 3 seconds from position Y 15 to position Y 100. Each 3 seconds to duplicate it, something like that. And you have to mute the duplicated version of this. Then you add a pitch for this one, which is 300. That's it.